Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. Today, I'm going to show you how to export your edited video from CapCut and save it directly to your phone's gallery. Let's get started. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So, first of all, open the CapCut app on your phone. So here you can see that I already have installed this app, so I'm gonna open it. And then you will see an interface like this. Normally, you have to choose new project if you want to edit a new video. On the other hand, if you already have a project, just normally select the project. So here you can see that I am editing this video, and after editing, I want to export it. So let me show you how you can do it. Normally, you will see an icon named export. You have to click on it to export that. But before doing it, you can choose the quality also. Here you will see some options: video resolution, frame rate, optical flow, and code rate. Just adjust whatever you want. I'm just keeping it as 60 fps and resolution is 180 pixels and so on. And after then choose export. And here you can see that the video is exporting, and after exporting the video, it is going to be saved on my gallery. So if I go to my gallery right now, here you can see that it's a video that I have edited. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to use CapCut to export a video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.